Hello, in this video I would like to show you how to upgrade this 15-inch display from 4 CCFL to our UB54 series. This kit comes with the 2 LED strips, connectors, drivers. This screen is made by Mitsubishi. The screen part number is AA150XC01. AA150XC01. It's similar to the AA150XC03. To upgrade from CCFL to our LED kit, it's fairly simple for this particular screen. Basically, you just have to pull this reflector out, and then first remove the tips here. You see? I want to show you maybe a little bit closer. You see this? You remove this tip. Okay. After that, you see the clips here, the plastic, not plastic, the rubbers. Click. You push it down, grab the wire, you push it out. You see this? There we go. So just like that, you take it out. All right. So if you look at it, it's flat. So basically, swung right back. So let's remove this wire. Loosen up the wire first. After you loosen up, you can do this end. Just careful. Here we go. Pull it just like that. So basically, you get position first. Make sure which one's the center one. You see it's flat. So anyway, peel it off. Double side tip. Then you make sure you push it down. LED strips. So make sure you stick to it. The double side tip stick to it. Done. So you just carefully, oops, oh, didn't stick. Okay, you just slice like that. Get the piece of tip here. Just secure the LED wires. So repeat the exact procedure on this end, and you're done. It's much easier to try to, you have to replace CCFL because you have to desolder the wire and solder the wire back and stuff like that. So connect it, it's really easy. So it's red is for input voltage, accepts anywhere between 10 to 12 volts. Black is negative or ground. White is adjustment, dimming and control, usually no connections. Yellow is really important. It's enable to turn this driver on and off. If you don't find the enable voltage on your wire harness, and then all you need to just short out JB2 and just apply the positive, negative. That will be it. Thank you for watching.